Boxwoods are really sensitive to freezing temperatures after pruning, so they cannot be cut back as early in the spring as the roses, the lavenders or the butterfly bushes. It is usually recommended to wait until there are 15 degrees Celsius outside during the day, that's about 60 Fahrenheit, and there are no freezing temperatures on the forecast for the foreseeable future for about 2 weeks. So this is the Faulkner variety, you guys. I chose this because this remains small. It gets up to 1 meter or 3 feet maximum. And I wanted a low hedge. Usually the boxwoods get 6 times taller and I didn't want to battle that forever. And also, I'm really lucky, you guys, because these don't get rusty during the winter months. I really hate that rusty color, you guys, because the plants look dry and dead, but these are more of a yellowish color and that looks like new growth to me, and also it creates a really beautiful color combination with the blue spruces in the back. So before I cut them, I just wanted to show you them quickly. This is how they look like right now. These ones on the left were planted in the spring of 2023. These ones were planted in the spring of 2024, and these little ones here were planted in the fall of 2024. So there is one growing season difference between these two guys, and there is a lot. But these put on a lot of growth last year and they are looking really good, and they will catch up really fast to the rest of them. So you can use different tools for this job. You can use hedge trimmers or scissors, and if you only have a small pair of scissors like this one, it is totally fine, especially if you don't have hundreds of plants to prune. I actually prefer this one because I have the most control with this. So the actual pruning is pretty straightforward. You just choose a height for the hedge and you will try to cut all of the branches at that height above a bud if possible. So I'm done with the bigger ones and the next ones are the small ones. I know these are smaller than the rest, but I still need to get them a better shape. And on this one you also can see a little bit of frost damage. These are the last to prune. These are the oldest one and the biggest ones. I remember at the university there was one professor who said that boxwoods were slow growers, and of course I believed them, but look at this, you guys. This for example, this branch, this is from last year. This is 1 year of growth. So boxwoods are definitely fast growers. So I'm done, you guys. They look really neat and tidy. I really love it. And the next thing to do is to fertilize them. So I bought this bucket of nitrogen-based organic fertilizer. Nitrogen is the most important element in the plant's green growth, and that is what we want during the spring. Lots and lots of green growth. Also, this one is absorbed slowly into the ground, so it will assure fertilizer for at least a month. And also, it is not a threat for my beautiful body here, Onyx. Yes. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? So just take some fertilizer, massage it into the soil, and make sure to water it afterwards. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Thank you a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!